Are you tired of cookware that just doesn't work well on your glass stovetop? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set. The Kitchen Academy Induction Cookware Set caught my eye, especially at the price of $94.99. This 12-piece set includes everything from fry pans to saucepans, and if you want a non-stick solution that works seamlessly on glass stovetops, this is worth a serious look. This cookware set is made from aluminum, which means it's lightweight but heats up quickly. The granite coating is a game changer. It prevents food from sticking, so you can cook healthier meals with less oil. Plus, it's induction compatible, which is crucial for your glass stovetop, distributing heat evenly without hot spots. The handles are made from Bakelite, ensuring they won't get too hot to handle, which is a nice touch. With over 2,000 sets sold in just the past month, it's clear people are loving it. Now, some folks have mentioned that the non-stick coating might wear off over time. Here's the thing though, if you follow the care instructions and avoid metal utensils, you should be just fine. For many, this is a minor concern compared to the overall performance and health benefits. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable set that makes cooking a breeze. Skip this one if you prefer heavier, more professional-grade cookware. For the price, you're definitely getting good value. Now, if the Kitchen Academy set's durability concerns bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Blue Diamond Hybrid Non-Stick Cookware Set. Next up, we've got the Blue Diamond Hybrid Non-Stick Cookware Set priced at $194.91. This 12-piece set caught my attention with its unique diamond bond technology. And if you're after durability and quick heat response, this is one to check out. What really sets this cookware apart is its tri-ply construction that combines stainless steel with a diamond-textured surface. This means it's not just tough, it responds to heat 6 times faster than traditional cookware. Perfect for glass stovetops, the metal utensils are safe to use without worrying about scratching the surface. The set includes everything you need from skillets to saucepans, making it awfully versatile. Plus, the tempered glass lids make it easy to monitor your food without lifting the lid. And guess what? It's dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for easy cleanup. However, some users reported that the handles get a bit hot during cooking. But honestly, if you use low to medium heat, you shouldn't have a problem. It's not a deal breaker, especially considering the performance. This is great for anyone who cooks often and needs a reliable, high-performance set. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to skip this one. The quality justifies the price, but it's a bigger investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more affordable. Product number 3, SEN-SART Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. The SEN-SART Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set is next, and at $65.94, it's hard to beat. This 13-piece set really popped because of its ceramic coating, and if you're looking for a healthy, non-toxic option, you should seriously consider this. Made from natural materials, this set is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA and PTFE. The aluminum construction ensures even heating, and the smooth ceramic surface means you can cook with less oil. The tempered glass lid is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without lifting it. Plus, it includes silicone utensils and pot protectors for added value. But I've read that the ceramic coating can chip if not handled carefully. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and avoid using metal utensils, you should be just fine. For many home cooks, the health benefits and affordability outweigh this risk. This set is perfect for small families or those just starting out in the kitchen. Skip it if you prefer a sturdier construction that can take a beating. For the price, it's a steal. Now, if the ceramic coating doesn't sit well with you, the next product may surprise you with its unique features. Product number 4, SEN-SART Non-Stick Cookware Set with Swiss Granite Coating. Next, we have another SEN-SART option, the non-stick cookware set with Swiss granite coating priced at $69.98. This 13-piece set caught my eye for its unique coating, and if you want something that combines style with function, this is worth your attention. It heats up quickly and evenly, thanks to its aluminum base, making it compatible with glass stovetops. Additionally, the stay-cool handles ensure you won't burn yourself while cooking, and the tempered glass lids help prevent splatters while allowing you to monitor your food. Some users mention that the non-stick surface isn't as durable as they hoped, but honestly, if you treat it well, it can last a long time. Just avoid using high heat and you'll be golden. This is perfect for home cooks who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen without the worry of toxic chemicals. Skip this if you need a professional grade set that can withstand heavy use. For the price, you're getting a stylish yet functional cookware set. Now, if you're looking for something simpler, let's move to our last option. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Cookware Set. Finally, we have the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Cookware Set for $81.40. This 5-piece set is straightforward but effective, and if you prefer a no-frills approach to cooking, this is a solid pick. Made from heavy-gauge 18/8 stainless steel with an aluminum core, this set is designed for even heat distribution, which is essential for glass stovetops. The riveted handles stay cool, making it easy to handle, while the vented glass lids allow you to monitor your cooking without losing heat. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. However, a few buyers reported that the pans can be a bit heavy. Here's the thing, if you're used to lighter materials, it might take some time to adjust. But for many, the sturdiness is a worthwhile trade-off for durability. This set is perfect for those who want reliable, no-nonsense cookware that gets the job done. Skip this if you prefer non-stick options or have a smaller kitchen. For the quality, it's a fair price. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap it up. So let's quickly recap. The Kitchen Academy is budget-friendly, Blue Diamond offers durability, the SEN-SART ceramic set is health-conscious, another SEN-SART option is stylish and efficient, and the Amazon Basics set is straightforward and dependable. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Blue Diamond because of its unmatched durability and heat response. Avoid the SEN-SART ceramic set if you're worried about long-term durability. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.